Hello everyone, this is Jim Okrasinski with your week 3 screencast video. So this week we're moving on from love letters and our conversation about purpose and audience. Everyone did a really pretty good job with the discussion boards. If you are missing any discussion board posts or responses, I urge you to take action this week as we move through the unit, get into essay writing, then those discussion boards will slowly close out. Once again, you may want to revisit the syllabus, look at this section on discussion boards and the points that are involved for the class over the whole semester. The discussion board activity will add up and is a significant portion of your final grade. So as I say here this week, we have discussion boards 4 and 5. And let me get to the course unit real quick because I think everyone should take a look at the assignment that we have. You want to read through the essay assignment, your target assessment, about how to write a literacy narrative. More importantly, in chapter 2 of the textbook, and let me get to that, you're certainly going to want to read specifically pages 28 and 29, the sections on what do I write about and how to write a literacy narrative. I believe these two sections here will give you some background along with the assignment to start developing a topic for discussion board number 4. So let me get up to the discussion board. Let's see here, section 1, section 2, topic development. So I'm going to ask you to read the sections, right? And you should read the essay assignment. And a good strategy is to review essay instructions before writing the initial post, as I say here. All right, so your initial post, write a minimum of 250 to 300 words discussing the prompts above in an organized paragraph structure by the due date. So the idea here is how do you go about and brainstorm a topic or topics to flush something out for the very first essay assignment. So it's a critical discussion board. Then later in the week, we're going to look at some student examples. I have those in the appendix in the textbook. So we'll talk about that in my lecture video later in the week, but you'll want to take a look at the 2 examples in the back of the textbook. We'll do a little bit of a rhetorical analysis on those essays so you get an idea how past students handled this particular topic. So I think it's worth your time to not only look through the 2 examples and the discussion boards, but also the textbook prior to writing discussion board number 4. So let me get back to the course units. Yeah, here. Alrighty, course units. Let's get back to the narrative assignment. So like I said, you want to make sure you get those reading in. It's very easy to read on chapter 2 for the literacy narrative. Take a look at the assessment here. Your essay's got to be 1,000 to 1,250 words. So this is a significant essay about your literacy. All right. So if you have any questions or issues, please send me an email during the week. Okay. As I always say, be safe and good luck.